Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to protect your privacy on TikTok. So what you need to do is head over to TikTok, and once you're there you just need to click this profile icon in here. Click that and you can see the three lines up here. Click that and you can see here the settings and privacy. Just go click that and you can see here account settings. And as you can see here, you have here your account information and you can see here the date of birth. So there's actually something that the TikTok has implemented earlier this year. You can now be automatically private when you're below 16 years old. What that means is if you're a minor or below that age group, then your TikTok will be automatically private. So what you need to do is head over to their support center and you can try to message them to change your age. So in that way, you can have more access to all of the TikTok's features. So if that's not the case, then you can try to go to your privacy here, and you can see here that you can actually toggle on or toggle off this private account according to what you need. And then you can see here also the sync contacts and Facebook friends. When you click that, you can sync your contacts, remove previous sync Facebook friends, or anything like that. It actually depends on you on what you want to do, but for me, I will turn this off and turn this off also. And then going back, we can actually see here this over the interactions in here. You can actually turn off all of this. Like for example, we don't want people commenting our contents. We can turn this everyone into no one or the followers only, whatever you like. It also goes to mentions and direct message. So in direct message, you can try to turn this to no one or to suggested friends or to followers only. Around here, you can also do this duet. You can also turn it off so anyone can't do it your videos. This also applies to Stitch, to downloads, to following lists, liked videos, and all of that. You can also click this location services so you can restrict TikTok tracking you, so you can share never and also share while using. It actually depends on you. For me, I will turn this off right here so no one can track me. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.